Good day, sir, madam. My name is Elizabeth Dolorosa, Filipino. I am 31 years old. My religion is a Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband is working as a farmer. I have 3 brothers, sisters. I'm the third in the family.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
Sir, madam, do the household chores such as housekeeping, cleaning, and ironing the clothes.
Do you have any experience to play games with kids?
Sir, madam, yes, and playing paper boat, Lego, and puzzle.
Do you know why the baby cries?
Sir, madam, yes, maybe baby sick, hungry, and diaper is wet.
Do you cook?
Sir, madam, yes, like Filipino food, adobo, sinigang, and I'm willing to learn cook Chinese dishes.
Can you tell us how to be a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, must be hardworking, responsible, honest, loyal, and patient.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for the family.
Thank you so much, Ms. Dolorosa, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir, madam.